Well, I've joined the craze of the 5D fashion diamond painting. I've not done this myself before. I had a little go at the studio when Sarita's bought a couple in, but during lockdown I figured let's buy one. I can do some during our Mindful Monday, and I'll do a video to hyperlapse it, introduce you to the diamond painting and just show you what a kit looks like. So I've got this one that is just full of lots of different purples. It's a lovely landscape background, and I thought I'd give you an introduction, open it up and show you what comes with a kit. So obviously you get your background picture. Now this is sticky, and you peel off the corner of the top layer. I say don't peel this all the way off, just do it a little bit at a time, and then it will protect all the adhesive on the rest of the sheet. So you work a little bit at a time, and then you slide it back over when you finish that area or when you want to put it away. You also get a little tray and the gentle sticky adhesive and the little dot pen that you use to put them on. And then you also get your pack of diamonds, but they're actually like little plasticky little offcuts. Oh, we've got a little random white one in with the black, and so they're little bits of plastic but they give a really nice diamond effect once they're on the background. So this background is what's known as a full drill, which means that every single space, little square, will require a diamond onto it. So a full drill is like the whole image is going to be filled in with a little piece of diamond. You get other ones where you just get part drill, where you'll just have like an image and then a solid background around it where you don't have to put gems. So before you even get started, what you'll need to do is actually sort out your gemstones. Now when you take them out of the package, they're like this on a really long plastic little individual packets, and these packets are not resealable. So what you really need is something that you can store them into, like little pots. It's something that you can store them. But what I'm going to do, because I'm on the boat and I haven't got anything to store all the different gems into, is I'll just pick, like start off with one patch, do all of that particular colour first, and then move my way along. But before I get on with that, I have to look at the key here and then label each one of these packets as per the key. Let's move these out of the way. So your key tells you which gems that you're going to use in which parts of the painting. So the picture itself is full of letters of the alphabet, and they're going to correspond to the colour. So I can already see from my key that number 1 is D. So I'll find number 1 and I'm just going to put a D on that. 2 is L, 3 is H, 4 is U, 5 E, 6 N, 7 is K, 8 M, 9 F, J, P, C. Gosh, there's so many. I've got 15 different colours. 13 is R, 14 T, and 15 is A. So once that's done, you would sort them into your containers if you've got enough containers. Like I say, I haven't got enough, so I'm going to have to be a bit more careful with mine, and I will get started on the hyperlapse and you can join me with that and watch me making. So when you've picked out what colour you want to begin with, you're going to need your little tray and your piece of gooey gum and your pen, okay, and the colour that you're going to use. So what you do is you'll dispense the colours, put a few into the tray. That's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to just carefully cut the just going to cut the corner off. I've only got myself a little hole there, and I'll put some into the tray like so, and then carefully put this to one side so they don't all fall out. Okay, when you've done that, you want to give your tray a little tap so that your diamonds, all or most of them, turn over. So you'll continue to do this every so often to be able to turn them over. You don't want the flat side up because you're going to use the pen to pick them up with the diamond side, so the pointy sides are going to be up. To do that, to be able to pick them up, what you need to do is you'll get your little piece of gum, and it's protected, it's got a little bit of plastic on either side, so you peel away a bit of the plastic. You'll get your little pen, and it's hollow down this end. There we go. So what you'll do is you'll stick that into the gum, and you see it's taken a hole out, and now we've got some gooey gum on the end of our pen, and then that will help pick them up from the tray like that. And then we'll dab it down onto the sticky background.